topic is happiness. Happiness is the most precious thing in the world, and the good news is that it is free for everyone. Happiness is not just about your money and materialistic thing. It comes with inner joy and satisfaction. Happiness is key to live a successful life. It can't be stored or measured, but it can be shared or spread. Helping others always makes us happy. Happiness is a journey, not a destination. To conclude my speech, I want to say, always be happy, always wear a smile, not because life is full of reason to smile, but because your smile itself a reason for others to smile. Thank you. Have a nice day. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.